Hey friends, welcome back, and I'm so glad you're here with me today. Let me ask you something. Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, why does my skin look older than I feel? If so, you're not alone. And what's even more surprising, it's often the tiny, innocent habits we repeat daily, without even thinking, that quietly speed up the aging process. In today's video, we're diving deep into 8 everyday skin habits that may be aging you faster than you realize. And I'm not here to scare you. I'm here to empower you. With science-backed insights and practical tips, we'll break down how to spot these silent skin saboteurs and what to do instead. Picture us sitting down for coffee. Just 2 friends talking skin health. These are the things I wish I'd known years ago. Habits that seemed harmless, but added up over time. So grab your favorite drink, get cozy, and let's take back control of your skin story. Because the good news is, every one of these aging triggers is 100% in your power to change. So stay with us till the end, as number 1 will surprise you. Like this video if you love smart, science-backed skincare. Subscribe so you never miss a tip that could transform your glow. And comment below, which of these habits surprised you the most? Alright, let's jump in, because your best skin is still ahead of you. 8. Excessive stress and neglecting sun protection on commutes. Many skip sunscreen on cloudy commute days, not realizing UVA penetrates car glass. Meanwhile, chronic stress elevates cortisol, triggering inflammation and collagen breakdown. A study in photodermatology, photoimmunology, and photomedicine found that drivers who didn't use sun protection while commuting showed more pigmentation and skin aging on the left side of their face. Apply sunscreen every morning, especially before leaving home or getting behind the wheel. And consider mounting a broad-spectrum UV window film in your car. Pair it with a calming practice, e.g. 5-minute breathing break, to manage stress and protect your skin. 7. Lack of sleep, the overnight skin reset. Sleep deprivation disrupts your skin's regeneration cycle. Stress hormones like cortisol increase, promoting inflammation and reducing collagen formation. A study in clinical and experimental dermatology showed that poor sleep correlates with tighter, more visible pores, dullness, and fine lines, regardless of skincare routine. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. Maintain a cool, dark, electronics-free bedroom, and establish a consistent bedtime routine to help your skin do its best work at night. 6. Not drinking enough water, the raisin effect. Last but not least, let's talk hydration. Dehydrated skin loses elasticity and plumpness, making fine lines and dullness more pronounced. Your skin cells are like grapes when hydrated, and like raisins when they're not. While topical moisturizers help on the surface, internal hydration is just as critical. Water helps flush out toxins, maintain skin elasticity, keep your complexion looking clear and radiant. Aim for 8 glasses of water a day, or more if you're active. And eat water-rich foods like cucumbers, berries, and melons for an extra hydration boost. 5. Poor diet. Your skin feeds on what you eat. Your skin reflects what's going on inside your body. A diet high in sugar, processed foods, and unhealthy fats can trigger glycation, a process where sugar binds to collagen and weakens it, leading to sagging and fine lines. Deprive your skin of essential nutrients like vitamin C, zinc, and omega-3 fatty acids. On the flip side, diets rich in antioxidants, lean protein, healthy fats, and colorful vegetables are shown to support glowing, resilient skin. Nourish your skin from the inside out. Focus on whole foods, hydration, and healthy fats like avocado, olive oil, and fatty fish. Think of every meal as skincare from within. 4. Smoking, the fast track to premature aging. Smoking doesn't just affect your lungs and heart. It visibly ages your skin at a cellular level. Here's what happens. Nicotine narrows blood vessels, reducing oxygen and nutrient flow to skin cells. Collagen and elastin, proteins that keep skin plump and firm, are destroyed faster by tobacco toxins. Healing slows down, making acne and cuts more likely to scar. Studies in dermatologic surgery confirm that long-term smokers tend to have more wrinkles, sallow skin tone, and deeper facial lines, especially around the mouth. If you smoke, quitting is one of the best things you can do for your skin and your overall health. And it's never too late. Your skin begins to recover almost immediately after you stop. 3. Over-exfoliating, when too much of a good thing goes bad. Exfoliation helps remove dead skin cells and promotes glow, but too much can backfire. Over-exfoliating damages the lipid barrier, which protects your skin from environmental stressors and locks in moisture. Without this barrier, your skin can become irritated, red or inflamed, chronically dry and prematurely wrinkled. According to experts at the American Academy of Dermatology, exfoliating more than 2 to 3 times a week, especially with harsh scrubs, can do long-term damage. Use gentle chemical exfoliants like AHAs or BHAs a couple times per week and watch how your skin responds. If it stings, flakes, or feels tight, you've probably gone too far. 2. Sleeping in makeup, a recipe for skin disaster. We've all had those nights, you're exhausted, and washing your face feels impossible. But going to bed with your makeup on is like pressing dirt, oil, and pollution into your pores for 8 straight hours. According to dermatologists, leaving makeup on overnight can clog pores and lead to breakouts, prevent the skin from properly repairing itself, contribute to collagen breakdown over time. Remember, your skin does most of its regeneration while you sleep. When it's buried under layers of makeup, it can't breathe or heal properly. Keep gentle face wipes or micellar water by your bedside for emergencies. But ideally, stick to a nightly cleanse, even if it's a quick one. 1. Skipping sunscreen, your skin's worst enemy. Let's start with a major one, not wearing sunscreen daily. Even if you're not at the beach or lying out in the sun, UVA and UVB rays are still reaching your skin every single day. UVA rays, in particular, penetrate through clouds, car windows, and even the glass in your home. Research published in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology shows that up to 90% of visible skin aging is caused by sun exposure, including wrinkles, sunspots, and a breakdown in skin elasticity. Choose a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 and make it a part of your morning routine 365 days a year. Your future self will thank you. And there you have it, 6 daily habits that could be aging your skin faster than it should. But remember, this isn't about judgment. It's about awareness and gentle improvement. Small, consistent changes, like applying sunscreen, drinking more water, or cleansing at night, can completely change the trajectory of your skin health over time. Because taking care of your skin isn't vanity, it's self-care. And you deserve to feel confident in your own skin. So pick 1 or 2 habits to start with, and just begin. Your skin will reward you with glow, bounce, and resilience in return. If you found this helpful, do me a favor. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss out on more science-backed beauty and wellness tips. I'd love to hear from you. Which of these habits surprised you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read every one. Thanks for spending time with me today. Until next time, stay radiant, stay informed, and take care of you.